Hi, today we want to talk about font work. So let's go to Insert, and here we have font work. Let's click it and let's choose one. This one is very easy to change its size, also its weight, height, and width, and so on. Let's move it where we need it. Also, we have some options here: position, size, line, area, anchor, wrap, align, arrange, flip, and so on. So we don't talk about that. We talk about special menu that these font work have here in the bottom. If you don't have that, you could go to view and you could activate this toolbar. So let's see what we have here. Is inserting a new font work. Okay, so we don't want that, but I show you what it's doing. So the next one is shape. So now it's rectangle. Now it's a rectangle with a little wave. We can change the size of the wave by moving this circle here. Also, we can resize the font work. Also, we have here a circle that is moving the font to the left or to the right, and this one is changing the height of the wave. So for each font work, you have to check what options you could change. Let's change to another shape. This one. This one. So here the font is increasing. Is normal and increasing. We don't have here another options, so it seems it's the only options do we have here to change the first part to be smaller. Let's change to this one. What option do we have here? We can change the shape. As you can see, we have these squares here. Also, we can tilt to the left, to the right, up and down. We have these 4 buttons here. So it's behaving like a 3D shape, and as you can see, it's very easy to change the way the text looks like. Here is the depth, okay? So we can have 0 and we can customize as what we needed. Let's change the text to be easy to be read. And now let's play with it. We can change also to custom. Let's have this one. Here it's changing the perspective to the right and also the center and so on. Also, we have here the brightness. Okay, this is bright, for example. This is bright, normal, and dim. And also, we can change the source for the light. Okay, from where the light is coming to our text. Also, we have the color for the shadow for the 3D part here on the top. You can see where is green. This is what we change now. We can change to wireframe here. We can change to matte, and plastic and metal are not working, and I don't know why. What options do we have? For example, in this case, we can create a circle and we could change the line height and also the arc size. Let's see. First, let's do this to be in front of us, and now let's change again to that shape, And now let's look. So you could see we could change the letters height and also how much they will go until in that circle. Okay. In these cases, it's very good to test this until it's what you needed. So let's see what we can do. Let's change the size of this text, and now we can experiment much better. What we can change the same, we can tilt it to be much easier to read, and we can move this text to the left, for example, to have in our book or somewhere. Okay, so very easy to change anything here. We need just to test it, to play with it. In order to see the next property, let's insert a new font work, a simple one. We have this font work here. And now let's see what options do we have. The letters to be the same height. It's not very easy to see here. Let's change to this one. And now you can see O is smaller and F is bigger. Now everything is the same height. So this is the next property. Let's insert a new one. We press enter. And now we have two lines inserted with some text. As you can see, let's close the extrude option, the shadow. Now let's test left align. You can see here it's left align, right align, everything is right align. Let's remove some text in order to see much better that is right align. Okay, you could see that. Let's see center, stretch. Okay, so you could play with that very easy. Now let's see kerning and these actions with text very tight. Everything is very tight. Now the text is very loose. Okay, you can see this space here between F and O and so on. Let's close the toggle extrusion. So let's change the color for the font work. Also, we could change the border of the text, but in this case it's not working. I don't know why. Maybe it's not working for all Fontworks. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more video. Thank you.